Well, we had some crazy wind last night. Oh, got some damage to the coop. I see a board laying there. Are you guys okay? Huh? Did you guys have an exciting night? Alright, we're missing a few. That's not a good sign. Look at that board over there. Oh, you guys okay? Who are we missing? Where's Judy? Oh, there's Judy. Okay, we're missing Secret, of course. And we're missing Janet and Lois and Chrissy. Okay. All right, let me get you some snacks, okay? Wow. This is bad. Let me just see if everyone's okay. See a board laying there. I hear somebody. Look at that board way over there. Okay, Louise. All right. At least you still have some shelter in there. Who are we missing? Okay, Secret. Are you all right, baby? Are you okay? Oh, everyone's accounted for. Are you making some eggs in there? Oh, all right. Sorry it was so windy last night. You want to come out?